My name is Simrit, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a backpack charm for back to school. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to choose 2 colors of string, and then I'm going to cut out 34 inches from each color. So what you need to do to make this backpack charm is take the center point of both of your strings, and then take one of the strings and cross it over the other one. Then take your bottom string and fold it over the top side to make a loop. And then next you're going to take your right string and fold it over. So now we have 2 strings on the left side. Then take the top strings. This one we have not folded yet, so we're going to fold it over to the bottom side now. And then finally I'm going to take the other left string, which we have not folded yet, and then I'm going to take it through the loop of the first string we folded over. And then take the end of each string and pull it tight to create this box knot. So now if you flip this over, you will notice that the other side doesn't have the box knot pattern. So you're going to make a box knot on this side too by repeating the same steps. So take your bottom string and fold it over to the top side. Then take your right string and fold it over to the left side. Then you're going to take the other top string that you have not folded over yet and fold that one over. And then finally take your last string that you didn't fold over and take it through the loop of the first string that you folded over. And then pull each end tight. And now you should be able to see this pattern on both sides. So what you're going to do is continue making this knot, and you will soon notice your back charm is going to come together. So continue doing these knots. Now my backpack charm is long enough, so I'm going to end it off by taking a lanyard snap, and then I'm going to take it through one of the strings and tie a knot to hold it in place. And now finally I'm going to cut off the extra strings. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this backpack charm. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell so that you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!